Hello, and welcome to this video on yoga. Today, we'll be exploring what yoga is, its history, and some of the incredible benefits of practicing it regularly. Yoga is a popular practice that has been around for thousands of years, originating in ancient India. It has become increasingly popular in the West in recent years, with millions of people incorporating it into their daily lives. What is yoga? Yoga is a form of exercise that involves physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It is designed to promote physical strength, flexibility, and mental clarity. There are many different types of yoga, each with its own unique benefits and focuses. Some popular forms of yoga include Hatha yoga, Vinyasa yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Bikram yoga, Bikini lovers yoga, sexy girls yoga, and restorative yoga. The history of yoga. Yoga has a rich history that spans thousands of years. It was first mentioned in ancient Hindu texts called the Vedas, which were written between 1500 and 500 BCE. These texts describe yoga as a means of achieving spiritual enlightenment and union with the divine. In the centuries that followed, yoga evolved into a more physical practice, with the postures and breathing techniques we know today being developed in the 19th and 20th centuries. Benefits of practicing yoga. There are many benefits to practicing yoga regularly, both physical and mental. Let's explore some of them. Physical benefits. Increased flexibility. Yoga helps to improve flexibility by stretching and lengthening the muscles. This can help to reduce the risk of injury and improve overall mobility. Improved balance. Many yoga postures require balance and stability, which can help to improve overall balance and reduce the risk of falls. Increased strength. Yoga is a great way to build strength, particularly in the core, arms, and legs. This can help to improve posture and reduce the risk of back pain. Reduced pain. Yoga has been shown to be effective in reducing chronic pain, particularly in the lower back and neck. Improved breathing. Many yoga postures involve deep breathing, which can help to improve lung capacity and overall respiratory health. Mental benefits. Reduced stress. Yoga has been shown to be effective in reducing stress and anxiety. It can help to promote a sense of calm and relaxation, reducing the production of stress hormones in the body. Improved sleep. Regular yoga practice has been shown to improve the quality and duration of sleep. Increased self-awareness. Yoga can help to increase self-awareness and promote a greater sense of mindfulness. This can lead to a greater understanding of one's own thoughts and emotions, and an increased ability to manage them. Improved focus and concentration. Yoga requires concentration and focus, which can help to improve these skills in other areas of life. Improved mood. Yoga has been shown to be effective in improving mood and reducing symptoms of depression.